Creating passive income with online courses is all the rage these days, but truthfully, passive income is a myth and you are being led astray. While there are ways to create true passive income, online courses are not truly passive. So they require constant marketing, tweaking, and updating. Nobody builds a course, turns on an automated funnel, walks away, and gets rich. The sale may come in when you're away from your computer, but there was a ton of work that was put into creating social media content, creating marketing campaigns, writing emails, setting up funnels. That all happened prior to the sale. On top of that, do-it-yourself courses are hard to sell. Rarely do they get results for clients, and they have very high refund requests. That's why I don't recommend this type of business model. Luckily, there are ways to free up your time in your schedule, create more freedom, and have sales come in while you sleep with the following 3 steps. Step 1, create a group coaching program. If you're gonna make money while you sleep, you can't be making money from a one-on-one coaching alone. To sign a one-on-one client, you typically need to sell on a sales call, which requires your active and present time to make the sale. Trying to make money while you sleep through one-on-one coaching is like rowing a boat alone. One-on-one coaching relies slowly on your own effort for each session. You can't create a current without continually rowing to make the sale and to fulfill on the session. Group coaching programs are awesome because you can turn 15 to 20 plus one-on-one sessions a week into one 90-minute group coaching call per week with the same amount of clients. You can provide your education and recorded video modules so you no longer have to teach in session and use your group coaching sessions to answer questions and provide coaching. Group programs are significantly more valuable than do-it-yourself courses because they provide customized support and they help your clients troubleshoot issues that ultimately come up as they execute a health protocol. Offering a group coaching program allows you to ditch sales calls and automate some or all of your sales process, which brings me to step number 2. The second step to making money while you sleep is to automate some or all of your sales process. Always keeping in mind that an automated sales process still requires a lot of labor, not only to set up, but also to maintain. My favorite way to automate some of my sales process is with live webinars. Well, you do have to show up for the live webinar to provide value and ultimately sell your group program. The rest of the process is automated. Most sales do not actually occur on the webinar, but rather happen in the email follow-up that goes out after the webinar. In my recent launch, I delivered a live webinar, and then afterwards, I sent out 2 sales emails a day for 7 days that introduced my program, Health Coach Accelerator, that detailed the benefits and outcomes of joining, addressed objections, and created urgency. You can go one step further and automate your entire sales process, and you can do this by recording your webinar and driving traffic to it via your social channels and/or Facebook ads. A fully automated sales process is much harder to pull off than a live webinar. I'll be honest with you there. They convert at a much lower percentage, meaning that they require a high volume of traffic to work. For example, I fully automated the sales process for my program, HTME Expert, but I spend about $8,000 a month on Facebook ads to drive traffic to it since we convert at around 2%, which, FYI, is a very normal number to convert at. Step number 3, make smart investments. If you want to make true passive income that doesn't require any more work on your end once it's set up, online courses or products are not actually the way to do this, and they will never be fully passive. What I recommend instead is to create one amazing program that solves one big painful problem for your audience and make it as good as you possibly can. Sell tons of it and then use your profits to invest in actual true passive income like index funds, ETFs, or real estate. The bottom line is passive income is real. It does exist, but you're not going to achieve that with an online course. But you can sell an online course or go with my recommendation, a group coaching program, sell tons of it, make lots of money, and use that money to invest in avenues that are actually truly passive. Don't let gurus lead you astray. It's not as easy as they're making you think it is, but you can do it with the right steps. So personally, I think group coaching programs are a really important part of being a successful coach. But if you want to know the real truth about being a successful coach, you can check out my next video, The Truth About Being a Successful Coach.